Do you have what it takes to create a series as explosive as Supernova?
Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to reveal the tips that will launch your content into the stratosphere.
First, I need you to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell button if you want to get social media tips, hacks, and tutorials. I always upload every single week.
In this video, we're spilling the beans on how to create the series that not only dazzles but keeps your fans hitting the follow button, smashing that like, and dropping those comments. Hold on to your phones, TikTok creators. Get ready to unlock the ultimate secrets to crafting a mind-blowing series that have your audience begging for more.
Start by producing content within your area of expertise that resonates with your audience. As you progress, broaden your scope of interest. Speak with your distinct creative voice that your followers already respect, demonstrating why your informative videos are most impactful when presented by you.
Once you upload your series, you'll have the option to include the free introductory video so your audience knows what they are paying for. You can either create a dedicated trailer or use a snippet from existing series content. Please ensure that all the music you use in your series is available for commercial use. For a suitable option, you can check out the commercial music library, which has 500,000 songs. After you posted your series, you can rearrange your video order, edit the name and description, and cover up to 5 times. You cannot add or delete the content from your TikTok series after it is posted. All uploading and editing can only be done via the series web app.
An important factor for your series is how much it will cost for users. TikTok found that consumers are most comfortable spending $9 for long-form exclusive content.
But you are welcome to adjust the price based on what you think best reflects your content, value, and worth. To ensure your series is worth paying for, it's crucial that every aspect of your video exudes professionalism.
This entails capturing stable footage, selecting appropriate backgrounds, crafting well-edited content, and obtaining high-quality sound, and maximizing a screen on the platform is achieved by filming your video vertically. TikTok recommends MP4 format with 1080p resolution to produce optimal video quality.
The For You page is the best for viewers to find your series, so definitely link your series to your organic videos for higher visibility. To do this, add links on the post page and select the series that you want to include. Furthermore, you can promote your series directly on your profile with series button. To ensure your content is uploading and passes to the post-submission moderation process, double-check that you're following all the community guidelines. Ready to light up your TikTok journey like a meteor shower?
Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button to join our Scholar Squad. Smash that like if you are excited as I am, and drop a comment with your thoughts, dreams, and cosmic.
So there you have it. This is the secret of crafting an epic TikTok series that keeps you at the center of the universe. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Yue. Ciao.